We are going to study laws of exponents in today's lecture. So let me tell you, if A and B are the base, I am going to introduce two new terminologies, base and exponents. A and B are kept as base, M and N are kept as exponents. Exponents matlab power mein. Base is the base word, the base number that we are going to use. Now if there is A to the power M, A is the base, M is the power, and A to the power N, can you tell me the equivalent? This will be equal to A to the power M, which is M and N are the exponents, A and B are the bases. A to the power M, A to the power N. What is this equal to?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly actually.
I am telling you the first property of the laws. There are few laws that we are going to follow in laws of exponents. So in laws of exponents, the first property that we are going to follow, considering the base and the exponent part, can you tell me the equivalent of A to the power M and A to the power N? In case of laws, when we are dealing with exponents and the powers, you always have to write the base and the power will get added if the base is same. This is the important concept that you have to keep in mind. If the base is same, A and A, base is same, then the powers will get added. So if A to the power M dot A to the power N can be written as, it will be equal to A to the power Mn. So what are these? Today we are actually going to study the different laws of exponents. So these laws are the global formulae which we are going to use whenever we are going to solve some examples. So for this, can you tell me 2 to the power 3 dot 2 to the power 2? What is it?
2 to the power 6, 5.
2 to the power 3
Ah,
dot
5.
है ना? हाँ, 5. Yes. So these are the global formula. Again, if there is a base and we are having two exponents, one inside the bracket and one outside the bracket, then the two exponents can be multiplied with each other. So the answer is A to the power M dot N. A to the power M dot N. This can be written. So if this is again clear, A to the power M cross M dot N, then answer my question 2 to the power minus 3 in bracket to the power 2. What is the answer?
2 to the power negative 6.
2 to the power minus 3. Yes, who is telling? Saurav, बोलिए.
2 to the power negative 6.
Global formula will never going to change and this will be applied everywhere. So we'll be using this concept, these formula in solving 1.6 unsolved example. Now A to the power M. Base is again same. A to the power M and in denominator A to the power N. This can be written whenever there is a division and we have the common base. In this case, we can subtract the exponents. So the answer is A to the power M minus N. This is my global formula. Whenever the base is same and we have powers which are different in numerator and denominator, we can subtract the power and the base will be written as it is. A to the power M minus N. Now you people will answer me 2 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power 3. What's the answer?
2 to the power.
Perfect. 2 to the power 4.
Yeah.
Good, good. Now A to the power N dot B to the power M. Okay, same. Wait. A and B are two different bases. Now the last case. A and B are two different bases, but the power are same. So what can we do?
A into B power
A
that
to
whatever.
for example, 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. Do it. Whatever you telling Aditya, you are telling it's 2 dot 3 to the power 3, right?
Hmm.
Do
Yes.
it and check your answer whether it's coming correct or not.
Ma'am,
You know,
6 to the power 3.
it's 6 to the power 3. What is 6 to the power 3? You people have learned the cubes. Yes, tell me the answer. You
Um,
have learned the cubes, don't forget.
is
दो दिन पहले ही.
216. 216.
Okay, now 216 I'm accepting. What is 2 to the power 3? It is
8,
8. What
8,
is 3 to the power 3?
27.
27 into
27.
8.
216.
216. Matching?
Yes.
Okay, so write down now without any hesitation. This is a dot b to the power m. So in this way you can check any of the properties by taking the examples. But these are the standard properties that will be with you throughout your engineering, throughout your all competitive exams. These are the most important. Whichever topic holds maximum weightage in competitive exams, I will explain you in depth. So this is one of them. This is most important topic in all competitive exams. So don't ever try to skip this exercise. Try to give maximum emphasis on this exercise. Even try to focus and explore more questions from your reference books as well. So if this is clear, I am going to give you some twisted questions. For example, what is a to the power 0? Again, it's a global. आपने ये 4 global formulas लिखे हैं. You would write it for fifth one. आप fifth लिख के start करिए.
1.
Very good. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. This is a global rule and very much will be in use in the subsequent chapters. What is 1 upon a to the power n? 1 upon a to the power n. ये शायद आपने नहीं पढ़ा होगा. If any exponent is in the denominator, when we will
N
take
to
the
the power n. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. 8.
And its power will become negative.
perfect.
I
So
think.
every number which will be taken up, जो हम उसको अगर न्यूमिनेटर में ले जाएंगे, this is in denominator. So when I'll take it in numerator, the power will be turned to negative. Again, this is an important concept. So base को आप ऊपर ले गए तो the exponent will get negative. So I'm giving you one example. 1 upon 7 raised to the power 2. What's the answer?
7 raised to power negative 2.
माइनस टू.
Negative
तो
2.
मतलब क्या हो गया? नेगेटिव टू क्या होता है? व्हाट इज इट?
Um,
Minus
माइनस टू को क्या बोलते हैं?
exponent.
negative
This is
exponent.
exponent which got reversed. Okay, one more. Okay, I'll give you more examples of this in the coming questions, in the coming exercises. Root of nth root of, इसको आप कैसे बोलेंगे? This is nth root of a. अभी तक in your syllabus you have only learnt about square root, cube root. There can exist fourth root of 5, fifth root of 5. So nth, I am talking about nth root of a. How it can be expressed? What is the equivalent way
Mm,
of expressing this?
A in
A.
root of means n times root of a, like, sorry, a root 1 upon n, I think.
रुको, root को तो हटाना है मुझे. This nth root of a can also be expressed as which simple terms? Simple terms में. I don't want root now. On my right hand side, I don't want roots. In
A
exponent,
1 upon n.
a 1 upon n is the perfect answer. A 1 upon n. Okay, so this is something new. यहाँ पे जो मैंने लिखे हैं तीन, these are three new concepts which are introduced. So just mark it star or important, or just keep these 3 points in your mind. Whichever way is your learning process, whichever way you want, आप इन तीन को मत भूलना बस. These three are the base of uh, exponents laws. उसके base हैं, तो don't forget these three things. If this is clear, just let me know. We can progress to exercise 1.6, the last exercise of chapter first.